Hey y'all, what's up? What's up? Hey, what's up? What's up? What's up? Welcome back to my channel. What's going on, you guys? Hey, how y'all living? How y'all feeling? Drop a comment down below and let your girl know. Yes, y'all, your girl is feeling good, feeling great. Feeling great, feeling good. How are you? Yeah, so today's video is a little bit different today. I will be doing a get ready with me, little chitty chat. I'll be talking about a bunch of different things today, as you can see in the title. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. So let's get into this lay and slay. So we about to get into this makeup. All of the products that I will be using today in my video will be listed down below in the description box. Next week is Christmas, okay? Like, girl, what? Who is done their Christmas shopping? I am done actually. I only have 2 packages left to arrive, one for my husband and one for my oldest, and I am done. I am done. Yes, I love to gift and spoil my family. Like, that is one of my greatest joys, is to do that. So I really am thankful that Shanise Nicole LLC, okay, has been able to bless my family 3 years with Christmas shopping and just being able to provide, okay, just being able to save, to have money. Like, it's a great thing, and I'm so blessed. I'm so thankful, and I get like all mushy dushy on the inside. Comparison is the thief of all joy. We all know this. But when you sit back and think and look at the bigger picture, you realize how blessed you are. Like, okay, anybody that could look at my channel be like, dang, she got low views, but those low views ain't stopping no collabs. At the end of the day, I'm very thankful for my journey with YouTube. I never thought YouTube would turn into what I'm doing now. Like, I have my very own business. Like, so I'm just excited about that. I'm very proud of myself because, yo, I say F it a lot. Like, when something frustrates me and annoy me, I just be like, F it. Of course, I don't say all of that to try to brag, you know, because I'm not really a braggy person, but I'm going to give credit when credit is due. And, you know, sometimes you got to stop beating up on yourself. Sometimes you got to, like, sit back and be like, girl, you is the shit. Stop playing with yourself. My therapist reminds me all the time of how much a bad bitch I am. So yeah, shout out to my therapist because she has really been amazing with my journey to getting my mental health on track. For those who don't know, I'm very vocal about it. I struggle really bad with my mental health, and sometimes I be in a dark place and I don't want to do anything, okay? Anything. I don't even know if primer works, but it is what it is. I don't want to do anything. I don't want to get out of bed, and it's really bad sometimes, you know? It can be really bad, but, you know, I have a great husband who's like the best bomb.com support system that a gal can ask for. So I just really and truly appreciate him because my mother, she suffered with mental health really bad, and she medicated herself with street drugs. So my mom was addicted to drugs, and you know, she lost against that battle back in May 2017. And my sister, she also struggled with drugs, and she lost her battle to addiction 45 days later after my mom's passing. So mental health runs really heavy on my mom's side of the family. And, you know, it's something that I really didn't pay attention to until I turned 30, when I was going through like this horrible custody battle. And I just felt like I was losing my mind. So that's when I took it upon myself to check into therapy. And my first therapist, she was great, but this therapist, bruh, the vibe is just different. Like, I feel like I'm learning so much about myself, and she's really helping me. According to her, we've had some great couple of weeks, because your girl was at an all-time low a few weeks ago, and sometimes I can explain it and sometimes I don't, but every step of the way, my husband is very, very supportive. So I'm truly, truly thankful for him, because he is like the bomb.com. Yes, I just love my husband so much. But I never want anyone to pity me or feel sorry for me. That's not why I share when I do share, because I rarely share. I'm a very private person. Like, I like to protect myself, and I like to protect my family, because we all know the internet can be cruel. And it's not so much that I don't want to share because I don't want anybody to hurt my feelings. Baby, it take a lot to hurt Shanise Nicole feelings. I care more about my family. Like, y'all can call me black, bald, ugly, call me the B word, call me oh, say my wig's ugly. I don't care about that. But once you say something about my family, ready to be like, no, if you book, boy. So I'm a very private person, and I know people say that, you know, you can share so you can be relatable, or listen, if somebody gonna rock with you, they're gonna rock with you, whether you tell your business or not. I'm private in real life, so I don't overshare, because it ain't nobody business. It ain't nobody business. If I wanted to share something, I'll share it, but it ain't nobody business at the end of the day. So I'm just about to take some of this setting powder and set my under eye. Y'all, I'm not an MUA. So don't follow nothing I do, okay? I don't even use the correct brushes. Like, I use whatever brush is gonna get the job done. I'll use a highlighter brush to blend out concealer if I can't find my sponge. So when it comes to your face, do what works best for your face. I'm really that type of person. I remember a few weeks ago, I had made a comment on somebody's post. She was talking about parenting and, you know, how to parent your children, and you shouldn't do this or you shouldn't do that or whatever. So I commented and was like, this is a very touchy situation. Like, people don't like people to tell them what to do with their kids. I just was brought up to mind your business. Like, I'm heavy on minding your business. Don't tell nobody what to do, but it's like with social media nowadays, people just be telling people what to do, and everybody is a know-it-all. Everybody got a degree in parenting. I feel like social media can be such a negative place sometimes, but it can also be a positive place. Like, you control who you follow, you control what you look at, and granted, some things we can't control, but for the most part, you have the power to see what you want to see. So I follow people, you know, that I can get a good laugh from, that I can get inspired by, people that can teach me things. Like, I love a good wig slay. So I follow people who can do good wig slays, because why? I want to learn how to better my wig slays. But in real life, when it comes to like people that inspire me, I would have to give it to my daddy. My daddy really inspires me, because my daddy is also a business owner. In September of this year, he celebrated 20 years of being in business, and he's very successful. I'm so proud of him. But my dad was a 10th grade dropout. And he will gladly show anybody his report card. His last report card that he receives has all F's on it. But my daddy is living his best life, and I'm just like, it's motivating to see somebody start from the bottom and then they make their way to the top. Like, he's the definition of self-made. So I'm like really inspired by my dad because, you know, he's doing what he loves, and he makes money off of it. So that's always a bonus, doing what you love and being able to make money off of it. So I'm like really inspired by my dad, like stunting like my daddy. I want to stunt like my daddy when I get older. Point blank period. This YouTube journey has been a ride. I'm not going to sit up here and pretend and act like I've loved my YouTube journey every step of the way. Like, there's been plenty of times when I just wanted to be like, to hell with this. But I always feel like if you're good at something and you're succeeding at it, don't quit. No matter how hard it may get, no matter how many obstacles you may face. Y'all, if I can be a regular person and I can achieve goals and receive opportunities that I never thought I would receive, you can too. If you want to do something, go for it. Don't let nobody tell you that you can't do something. Because most of the time, it's people projecting their own feelings onto you. Oh, girl, you sure you can do that? That's like really hard. So that's another reason why I don't like sharing stuff, because people love projecting. Just because you're scared to go out on a leap and do something that you've always wanted to do, don't discourage me, you know? But y'all, 2021, go after what you want. Granted, everything may not be for you, and you may fail at it, but at least you can say you tried. So I've always wanted to do YouTube, and if it wasn't for me, which is something probably hard to grasp, like if I wasn't succeeding at it, if I wasn't making any money at it, because let's be serious, I love being a YouTube content creator, but if I'm putting something, you know, if I'm giving something my all and I'm not reaping the benefits of it, what's the point? You know, especially if I'm not working. Like, I haven't worked since I lived in Kansas. So it's like after I got fired from my last job. Yes, y'all, I got fired working at this school because, y'all, they said I was too aggressive. They said I was too aggressive. That's because I wasn't letting kids talk to me any kind of way. Like, no, y'all is going to show some respect in here. But I wasn't cussing out nobody's kids, but I was firm. But being a content creator is not as easy as people think it may be. People just look at the free stuff people get or the brands that people get to work with. But y'all, it's a lot to it. It's a lot to it. You got to promote yourself. You got to go hard for yourself, because who else is going to go hard for you? With these companies, you charge them a rate. You have to stand firm in that rate. Like, okay, I'm going to charge you this amount of dollars to do these deliverables for you. I'm going to do a YouTube video, a reel, and you give them your set price, and companies are going to say no, or they're going to try to lowball you. And, you know, that can get frustrating. It can be hard, you know, and it also can be discouraging, because it's like, dang, well, am I not good enough? Why can't they pay me? But you are more than good enough. And this is for anybody, including myself. And a lot of people, myself included, you lowball yourself when you're first starting out, because we didn't have a manual on how to be a content creator. And I mean, it's ebooks out there now, but I feel like everything you need to know about wanting to do a YouTube channel is on YouTube. It's on Google. Anything you need to know. How to edit, how to upload a video, how to add music to a video. YouTube will show you. Like, YouTube taught me everything I knew when it comes to doing thumbnails and all of that. So all you got to do is do it. That's the reality of being a content creator. It is not all roses, okay? It's not all peaches and cream. And, you know, I can only speak from my experience. I'm not speaking for other people. Some people may not experience that, but I do. I'm always speaking from my point of view. My videos are always from my point of view, so remember that. It's always my opinion, and everyone doesn't have to agree with my opinion, but I stay true to myself, and if I feel a way, I'm gonna stand on it, you know? That wraps up today's video. I just wanted to sit down and do a little chitty chat. Drop a comment down below and let your girl know if you like chit chat videos. I'll try to do more. I'm not gonna say I'm gonna do more and then I don't do it, because you know I'm famous for saying I'm gonna do something and I don't do it. But I really enjoyed making today's video, and you know, it's about to be a new year, y'all. I think the new year, new me is so cliche. I'm going into 2022, the same Shanise, just a better version, okay? Because it's all about elevating. It's all about growth. It's about learning from your mistakes, okay? Realizing when you're wrong, okay? Because you can't always be right. I need you. Yes, so I just want to be a better version of Shanise. That's it. But I'm the same old me, still the procrastinator, still a singer, still a rapper, because I love it when y'all call me Big Nise. Throw your hands in the air if you's a true player. Just remember, okay, you can do anything that you set your mind to. And that is a real cliche saying, but it's true. If you're determined, you gonna do it. But drop a comment down below and let me know if you're feeling my look. All the details on this hair will be listed down below in the description box. I think this color is very beautiful, but I think it like clashes with my skin tone. Like, y'all let me know. I did receive some snags with this hair, but not shedding at all. But I did clip the ends a little bit because I kept getting snags towards the end of the hair. The hair is really beautiful. I just wish the density was a little thicker. Hopefully this video inspires you to go after something you want or put a smile on your face, because I know I like to sing and crack a little jokey joke. But yes, y'all, I'm just excited for the new year. I'm excited for life in general, because any day above ground is a blessing. We all go through hard times. We all go through things. And, you know, all you can do is show love, be kind to others, because you never know what somebody is going through or battling internally. You know, I'm sending love and light to anyone that's in need of it. I truly appreciate you guys. We are ending 2021, yes, with a bang. You know, I feel good. I achieved a lot this year, and I'm just happy. So I'm ready to smash whatever comes my way next year. But if you've been on a ride with me, I appreciate you. I love you. And to all my newcomers, I love you too. Hopefully you can grow to love your girl. I mean, you subscribe for a reason. But yes, cheers to wig slaying, lace laying, and achieving all those goals 2021 and beyond. I appreciate y'all. I love y'all. And if you like today's video, make sure you give it a thumbs up for your girl. If you have any comments or any questions, or you just want to say what's up, drop it down below and you know I will talk back to you. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It's the big red button down below, because I know you see it. I know you see it. Yes, I know you see it. As always, I thank you guys for watching. I thank you guys for supporting me. And hopefully, I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace. It's cold outside.